Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cikgu Darrel, and today as usual we're going to continue on Starter Unit Lesson 4, which will be on page 7 of your student's book. At the end of this lesson today, you should be able to ask questions with the verb be about where people and things are. There are two things that you need to learn today. The first thing is possessive apostrophe, and another one would be asking questions. I'm going to start with possessive apostrophe first. What is possessive apostrophe? Possessive apostrophe are divided into two types. One is apostrophe s, another one is s apostrophe. And what is the function of possessive apostrophe? It is used to show the possession, or in BM we say it as kepunyaan of someone or something. So when do we use apostrophe s and s apostrophe? We use apostrophe s when there are singular words, and for s apostrophe we use it when there are plural words. Now, what does that mean with singular words and plural words? Let me give you an example. When we talk about singular, singular means one. So the examples that I show you here is only a teacher, a student, and also Harry. How many people can you see for each group here? For teacher, there's only one. For student, there's only one. And for a proper pronoun, there's only one, which is Harry, whereby for plural, we just have to add s at the back. If teacher, when it goes to plural, it becomes teachers, and student becomes students. So it's more than one. In English, anything that is more than one, it will become plural automatically. But for personal pronoun, we don't have the plural for it. Because normally when we talk about plural for personal pronoun, we would just have to add another names, so there is no s at the back. Let me show you some examples. A book. We want to show someone's possession over this book. So I would say this book belongs to the teacher. So in other words, we say it's teacher's book. Why is it apostrophe s? How many teacher do you see there? There's only one teacher. So if it's one teacher, means that it's singular. And when it's singular, we use apostrophe s. So teacher's book. Next, we still talk about the possession over the book, but this time, how many teachers are there? There are two teachers. So when there are two teachers, means that it's already more than one. Hence, it is plural. When we talk about plural, do we use s apostrophe or apostrophe s to show the possession over the book? It's s apostrophe. So teacher's book, s apostrophe. Now, there are some exceptional cases in using the possessive apostrophe. Case 1 is that we know that children is the plural of child. When we talk about child, it means only one. But when child gets into plural, it becomes children. Just now, remember, I mentioned that s apostrophe is used for plural nouns. But for this case, even though children is in plural, but we still use apostrophe s. For example, children's book. We don't use s apostrophe, but we use apostrophe s. This is an exceptional case. And case 2 is that Jack and Terry. Remember just now we talked about Harry? There's only one Harry, right? We cannot say one Harry, two Harrys. No. But when there is another additional personal pronoun, then it becomes Jack and Terry. If you want to make it plural, it becomes Jack and Terry. Jack and Terry is already more than one, and they are in plural. However, still under this situation, we only look at the second name, which is Terry. So when we want to talk about the possession of Jack and Terry over this book, then we only apply the apostrophe s after Terry's name. So the answer would be like this: Jack and Terry's book. Apostrophe s. We don't use s apostrophe after Terry, even though there are two persons in this subject pronoun. Next, I'm going to talk about the second subtopic that we are going to learn in this lesson today, which is about asking questions. When we ask questions, we tend to probe somebody or someone to answer yes or no. So how do we probe yes or no? Still remember this chart that I have shown you in the previous lessons? Still the same rules apply, just that this time we are using this table as a reference in making questions. For example, let's look at the first question. Number 1. Blank I in the wrong room. So may I know what is the subject pronoun in this question? It's I. So when we look at the word I, let's refer to the chart here. Subject pronoun I. What is the verb be for the affirmative form? It's am. So the answer should be, am I in the wrong room? Okay, something that I have to highlight. When we ask questions, do we normally ask ourselves and answer by ourselves? It's not logic, right? Normally, when we ask questions, it should be a conversation between two people. So now the question is, am I in the wrong room? It means that you are asking someone else, correct? So the second person should respond to you as I am or you are. Because the second person is talking back to you. So he should be responding it as yes, you are, or no, you aren't. It cannot be yes, I am, no, I am not. If not, the situation would be you yourself question, you yourself answer. Number 2, blank, you in school now. You, subject pronoun you. The verb be is are. Are you in school now? The same situation like just now, because the question now is people asking you. The second person is asking you back, are you in school now? So when you want to answer the second person, you say, yes, I am, or no, I am not. You respond depends on the true situation. If you're in the school, you say, yes, I am. If no, you say, no, I'm not. Number 3, blank, my pencil with you. My pencil. Okay, referring to the previous lessons, my pencil, if we want to use subject pronoun to replace my pencil, which one is the most suitable subject pronoun? My pencil, there's only one pencil and it's non-human, so it should be it. We look at the subject pronoun it, and the verb be affirmative under it is. So the answer here would be, is my pencil with you? Is my pencil with you? I'm asking you, is my pencil with you? Yes, it is. If it's not with you, no, it isn't. Okay? So I think our lesson is only until here today, because after this I'm going to have a lot of exercises with you on Google Form. This time in Google Form, there are 4 parts of exercises that I provided for you on Google Form. The first 2 parts will be talking about apostrophe, and the later 2 parts will be talking about this proving yes or no. So after this, you are going to answer based on your true situations. Okay? And this is the link that I have provided for you. If you're watching this video only on a single device, you can just go to my video description and click the link to do the exercise straight away. And if you're watching my video on your laptop and you prefer to do this on your mobile device, feel free to just scan the QR code right in front of you and do the exercises right on the spot. And if you're a teacher and you would like to make a copy of my exercise, feel free to just scan the QR code here, or you can just go to the video description below this video and click on the link to make a copy of this Google Form exercise for your students. And if you have any questions as usual, feel free to just approach me at the comment section below this video. And as usual, don't forget to go to my Facebook page and like my page, Cikgu Darrel, as well as subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button right beside the subscribe button so that you will always get notified the moment I uploaded the latest video. With that, I would like to thank you for watching my video, and I will see you at the next lesson.